Cobra pose is one of the best back bend exercise to improve our posture, especially with our modern living being in front of our device. We would want to do a counter movement of that. Hi everyone, my name is Melanie from Inner Sun Yoga. Today I want to show you modifications and alternatives for Cobra pose, especially if you're dealing with low back pain or wrist injury. First thing you would want to try with Cobra pose if you're dealing with back pain. So this is the full expression of the pose with your legs together. If you're dealing with back pain, see if you can spread your legs apart and see how that feels in your low back. If that feels better, this will be your pose here. This will be your Cobra pose here. However, if this is still difficult on your low back, see if you can be on your forearm instead. This is called Sphinx pose. This Sphinx pose is also good if you're dealing with wrist pain or wrist injury. From here, you want to lift your chest forward here and see how that feels. If this is still a little bit difficult, see if you can open your legs up, spread them apart a little bit wider, and see how this feels. The most important thing is you would want to breathe really deep from the base of your spine and drop the shoulders away from the ears. Alright, so see how those modifications may work for you to get to a back bend. If you find this video helpful in any way, please like and subscribe. And until next time, have a beautiful day. Namaste.